What if your AI could write directly into your workspace, from inside VS Code, without you touching Notion at all? That's exactly what we're setting up today. I'm talking about Notion MCP. And by end of this video, you'll have it fully connected and working. Welcome back to Aether Tech. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful integrations in the AI tools space right now, the Notion MCP server. If you've tried connecting MCP before, there might be a leftover .mcp auth folder causing conflicts. I'm running this PowerShell command to remove it recursively. Next, I'm pulling up the official Notion MCP documentation. The URL for the Notion MCP server is right here. In my VS Code project, I'm creating a folder called .vs code. Then inside the folder I have to create a mcp.json file. This step is necessary because this is how the VS Code recognizes which MCP servers to connect to. I have added the exact configuration for mcp.json in the description box below. Now hit Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette and type mcp list servers. Pick Notion from the list, then click Start Server. Then you will be prompted to authenticate your Notion account. On your browser, click Connect with Notion MCP. After the authentication, you can open the VS Code from the browser. Now, you will notice that there is constant strings of info on your output terminal about your server connection. To verify whether our MCP server is working, we will create a folder called Example, in which I will create a Markdown or MD file in which the AI will write out the output. The MD file is named as spacex.md. Now open the GitHub Copilot window in the side panel. Click on the plus button to select the spacex.md file. Then click on the plus sign and click on the MCP and select the first MCP tool visible on the command palette. For the AI model for this report writing, I have selected the GPT-5 Mini. For now, we will wait for a few seconds so that the AI agent generates the required MD file using the Notion MCP. We can see that the Markdown file has been generated by the agent, which is somewhat unreadable. So we will click on the button next to Claude icon on the VS Code, which will give us the report view of the MD file. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.